Hi, this is Lindsay with Stitching with the Joneses. Thank you for coming to my channel. Grab a 4.5 or 5 millimeter hook. It's from yarn and make sure that your foundation chain can fit around the largest part of your upper body in multiples of 6. And we are going to get going. Read these notes and I'll meet you back. All right, so to begin, we're gonna take our yarn, make a slip knot, and we're gonna begin with our chain. So here we go. Remember that it is a chain in a multiple of 6, and then add 14, and I will speed this up and meet you back. For row one of our repeat, we are going to skip 2 chains, which counts as the first half double crochet, half double crochet in the next chain, and then here is the repeat down the row. It's going to be, we're going to chain 3, skip 3 chains, half double crochet in the next chain 1, skip 1 chain, and half double crochet in the next chain. We're just going to repeat that down. I'm going to pop it up here for you, and then you guys can continue to the end of the row. When we get to the last 5 chains, we're going to chain 3, skip 3 chains, and we're going to half double crochet in each of the next 2 chains to end. So I will pop up our repeat. All right, I'm at the ending. I'm about to place my 2 half double crochets at the end of my row. And then we're on to row 2, and I will let you know what we're going to do then. All right, last one. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1 and turn. We're going to single crochet in the first half double crochet that we just made in the previous row. And then we are going to chain 2, 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 1, 2, and the final one. Then we're going to chain 2 again and single crochet into that chain 1 space. And that's our repeat. Our repeat is chain 2, 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2 single crochet in the chain 1 space. I will pop that up and speed this up and meet you back. So for row 3, we're going to chain 5, turn our work. We're going to half double crochet on top of that double crochet from the previous round. Chain 1, half double, skip 1, I guess, double crochet, and then half double crochet in the next double crochet. You know, we did that 3 double crochet cluster in the previous round. Then we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip that single crochet that we had anchored. We're going to go all the way over to that first double crochet of the 3 double crochet cluster of the previous row and repeat. Half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, chain 3, and then hop over to the next DC cluster, and I'll meet you back. I will also pop that up for you. See you back soon. All right, we are on to row 4. We are going to chain 3 and double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And then our repeat is going to be chain 2, single crochet in that chain 1 space, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. And we're going to repeat all the way to our last chain 1 space. That one we just do our chain 2, we do our 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then instead of the 3 double crochets in a chain 3 space, we're going to just place 2 double crochets in the beginning, chain 5 of the turning chain, and then we're going to turn our work and do our last row of the repeat. I will pop this up and meet you back. Alrighty, and for row 5, this is the last row of our repeat. If you want to keep getting length, you would repeat rows 2 through 5. Here we go. We're going to chain 2, skip the first double crochet, half double crochet in the next double crochet. And then our repeat is chain 3, skip the single crochet. We're going to half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, and that's all above that DC cluster. It's kind of like what we did in, I believe it was row 3. So I'm going to throw up that repeat, and we are going to just make our top. Keep repeating rows 2 through 5. Maybe I'll post up rows 2 through 5 if you guys want to take a screenshot after I'm done this, and I will see you back. We'll continue with our top. All right, so I did the repeat 3 times. Now we always end on row 5. We are going to chain 1, turn our work, and just place single crochets all the way down, and I'll meet you back for the bottom and our decorative edge. Decorative edge, we are going to chain 3, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. It's basically like the mesh stitch all the way down, and I will meet you back. right, so we are going to fold our work. We are going to slip stitch up, slip stitch it together, down, I guess it doesn't matter. When we get to the other side, we are going to chain one and single crochet around, and then I'll meet you back. So you're going to slip stitch together to the other side and chain one and single crochet around, and I will meet you back. Now we are going to chain three. We're going to skip one and place a double crochet. Chain one, skip one, double crochet. Chain one, skip one, double crochet. Kind of like we did on the other side. And I will meet you back. All right, we're getting to the end here. We're going to make our cups. I am going to explain it to you. I added the notes before, and then I added a cheat sheet after. So if you want to screenshot and pause, but we're going to make our measurement from our under boob to our nipple. We're going to chain the amount, and then we are going to single crochet down, which is what I'm doing. I chain 12. Single crochet down to your last stitch, and then you are going to place 3 single crochets in that last stitch. And this is when a stitch marker can be really handy, because then you know every time you hit that stitch marker that you're going to add 3 stitches in that stitch. So here we go. We're going to do our 3 single crochets in that last one. And what this does, it kind of helps you turn to work on the other side of your row, so we can make that cup shape. So let me put that in. And I appreciate you guys. All right, so now look, we're going to work on that opposite side where we worked the previous single crochets. We're going to do that all the way down, making sure that we keep, the perfect amount on both sides. After I do this row, I usually count and make sure I have enough. And we're just going to chain one, work single crochets back up to that stitch marker, and 3 single crochets in the stitch marker, and then regular single crochet down, and I'll meet you back, and we will attach those cups. Oh, I hope that you took a moment to read those notes, but I just put the mattress seam. So what I do is I go through one loop on one on my cup, and then one loop on my body, either the front or back. I make sure that I'm doing the same one on both, and it kind of hides it. Look it up. It's called the mattress stitch or mattress seam. I don't know. When I was a beginner crocheter, I used YouTube like it was my job. So that's why I'm trying to do this. All right, I'll meet you guys back. Look how cute. Look how cute. Now we're going to attach to that middle area. We're going to single crochet around up to the top of our cup. Chain as many as you need to reach around your neck. Then you're going to slip stitch down your chain. We're going to single crochet down our cup, up the other side of our cup, make our chain. I made it 60, a chain of 60 and slip stitch down, and then we're done. And try it on. I can't wait to see it, and I hope you had fun. Like, subscribe, comment, follow. Um, if I keep getting subscribers, I'll keep making videos. I started on June 2nd. It's the 17th. And I've gotten like 30 subscribers and followers. I'm loving this. If you guys want me to keep crocheting and making these, I will. Let me know. Bye.